Welcome to Digitize, the channel where creativity meets technology. Today, we're diving deep into the features of the brand new Samsung S25 Ultra. This phone has been making waves in the tech world, and for good reason. It's packed with cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and features that are sure to blow your mind. So, let's not waste any more time and jump right into it. First things first, let's talk about the design. Samsung has always been known for its premium build quality, and the S25 Ultra is no exception. The phone features a sleek, minimalist design with a glass back and an aluminum frame. It's available in a range of stunning colors, including Phantom Black, Mystic Silver, and a new exclusive color called Aurora Blue. The device feels solid in the hand, and the curved edges make it comfortable to hold. But what really stands out is the new matte finish, which not only looks elegant, but also helps in reducing fingerprints and smudges. One of the most impressive aspects of the S25 Ultra is its display. Samsung has always been a leader in display technology, and they've outdone themselves this time. The S25 Ultra boasts a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. But here's the kicker, it now supports an adaptive refresh rate that can go as low as 1 Hz when you're viewing static content, which helps in saving battery life. The display is also brighter than ever, with a peak brightness of 2000 nits, making it easily readable even under direct sunlight. And let's not forget the new LTPO 3.0 technology, which ensures smoother transitions and better power efficiency. Now, let's talk about the camera system, which is arguably the most exciting feature of the S25 Ultra. Samsung has always been a frontrunner in mobile photography, and the S25 Ultra takes it to a whole new level. The phone features a quad-camera setup, headlined by a 200 MP main sensor. Yes, you heard that right, 200 megapixels. This sensor uses pixel binning technology to combine multiple pixels into one, resulting in stunningly detailed photos, even in low-light conditions. The main camera is accompanied by a 12 MP ultra-wide lens, a 48 MP periscope telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom, and a 10 MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. This combination allows you to capture everything from sweeping landscapes to detailed close-ups with incredible clarity. But the camera features don't stop there. The S25 Ultra also introduces a new AI-powered photography mode called Scene Optimizer 2.0. This mode uses machine learning to analyze the scene and automatically adjust the settings to get the best possible shot. Whether you're shooting a sunset, a portrait, or a moving subject, the S25 Ultra has got you covered. And for all the vloggers out there, the front-facing camera has also received a significant upgrade. It now features a 40 MP sensor with improved low-light performance and enhanced video stabilization, making it perfect for capturing high-quality selfies and videos on the go. Speaking of video, the S25 Ultra is a powerhouse when it comes to video recording. It supports 8K video recording at 30 fps, and thanks to the new Director's View mode, you can now switch between different cameras while recording, giving you more creative control over your videos. The phone also features improved Super Steady mode, which uses AI to stabilize your footage, making it ideal for action shots or shaky handheld recordings. And if you're into slow-motion videos, the S25 Ultra can record in 960 fps at 1080p, allowing you to capture every detail in stunning slow motion. Now, let's move on to the performance. The S25 Ultra is powered by the latest Exynos 2200 processor, or Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, depending on your region, which is built on a 4nm process. This means it's not only faster, but also more power efficient than its predecessors. The phone comes with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of internal storage, ensuring that you have more than enough power and space for all your apps, games, and media. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing videos, the S25 Ultra handles everything with ease. And let's not forget about the battery life. The S25 Ultra is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, which is more than enough to get you through a full day of heavy usage. But what's even more impressive is the new 65U fast charging technology, which can charge the phone from 0 to 50% in just 15 minutes. There's also support for 25W wireless charging and 10W reverse wireless charging, so you can easily charge your other devices on the go. Another area where the S25 Ultra shines is in its software experience. The phone runs on Samsung's One UI 5.0, which is based on Android 13. One UI 5.0 brings a host of new features and improvements, including enhanced customization options, better privacy controls, and a more intuitive user interface. The S25 Ultra also comes with Samsung DeX support, allowing you to connect your phone to a monitor and use it as a desktop computer. This is perfect for those who need to get work done on the go. Now, let's talk about some of the additional features that make the S25 Ultra stand out. The phone comes with an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which is faster and more accurate than ever. It also features stereo speakers tuned by a kg, delivering rich, immersive sound quality. And for all the audiophiles out there, the S25 Ultra retains the 3.5mm headphone jack, which is becoming increasingly rare in flagship smartphones. The phone also supports 5G Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring that you're always connected at the fastest speeds possible. One of the most exciting new features of the S25 Ultra is the S Pen support. Yes, the S Pen is now integrated into the phone itself, just like the Note series. The S Pen has also received some upgrades, with lower latency and improved pressure sensitivity, making it feel more like writing on actual paper. Whether you're taking notes, sketching, or editing photos, the S Pen is a powerful tool that enhances the overall user experience. So, there you have it, a deep dive into the features of the Samsung S25 Ultra. From its stunning display and powerful camera system to its top-notch performance and innovative S Pen support, this phone is a true flagship in every sense of the word. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional photographer, or just someone who wants the best smartphone experience, the S25 Ultra is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and updates. And if you've already got your hands on the S25 Ultra, let me know in the comments what your favorite feature is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.